more on K-dramas ako. But I've seen J-dramas. Magaganda rin yung mga J-dramas. Anong sport niyo nung high school? Marami. Iniikot ko eh. Basketball was my main. And then I tried swimming, volleyball, track and field. Mas tumagal ako sa track and field. Pumano rin ako sa NCR, Marikina. Nag-compete din ako. Representative ng Marikina sa NCR battles. So, doon ako maraming medal, I would say. Track and field. Soccer, I was supposed to compete sa Malaysia, pero few days before ng Malaysia competition namin, nag-quit ako ng soccer because I was allergic sa grass. Diba? Crazy. Pero thanks to soccer, because nagkaroon ako ng first ever commercial ko, which is yung Tiger Biscuit. So, during one of our soccer practice, may mga dumating na mga caster. Tapos, ayun, tinignan nila kami one by one, and then I was chosen to be a part of Tiger commercial. If gusto niyo makita, search na lang sa YouTube. Tiger commercial 2009. Andun ako. Nakakatawa. Anong goals mo na for running? My goal is yung stamina and endurance ko. Kasi iba rin yung training, yung mental training mo when it comes to long distance running, na yung pinapush mo yung sarili mo, na sinasabi ng sarili mo na di ko na kaya, stop na, pero lumalaban pa rin yung utak ko na kaya mo yun, ganyan. Honestly, I never thought that I would be able to do 10K distance. Na-overcome ko yun, tapos nag-16K ako, and then yung latest ko 21K. So never ko na-expect na kakayanin ko mag 21K. Half marathon na yun. So next goal ko is mag full marathon. Antayin niyo yan, guys. Yeah, sinalihan ko under 19 yung survival show. Ano pong goal niyo as a group this year? Well, isa-isa nang na-check yung bucket list namin this year. Unang-una was the release of our second album called Basakalye. Lahat ng genres and songs na gusto namin, we were able to achieve through that album. And then second is yung first ever solo concert namin, which is Kalawakan. That was held in Skydome. Na-check na namin. Parang it was something na hindi namin in-expect na dumating this year, na katawa. Actually, hindi pa rin nagsisting in sa akin, honestly, na tapos na yung Kalawakan. Grabe talaga yung preparation namin doon. Tapos, nung umapak na kami sa stage, yun parang, wow, everything feels surreal. And then, sino may C13, nakatak na ako. Bro, that's me. Tapos yung goal namin, ma-sold out namin yung second concert namin, which gaganapin sa June 27. Tapos, sana magkaroon rin kami ng hit song this year. Sana magkaroon kami ng international stages. Maikot rin namin yung Philippines para makapunta kaming probinsya para ma-promote din yung vision. So yun, that's our goal for this year. Hopefully, through our hard work, through the support of our Vixie, through God, if it's in His favor, na matupad lahat yun. Lahat ng mga gusto namin gawin and lahat ng mga na-envision namin for our crew. And Coachella, hopefully next year or next year. I mean, we're not really expecting it to happen real soon, but if it's in our favor, then why not? Diba? It's a goal for us, and if mangyari man yun, talagang we will believe in miracles. And syempre, it's not just our efforts, you know. Nakakatuwa rin na talagang kayong Vixie, sobrang ingay nyo when it comes to supporting us, when it comes to promoting us. So, nakakatuwa lang din, guys. Thank you po sa inyo. Dream niyo po ba mag-perform sa Lollapalooza? Yeah! Why not? Syempre, it's big, not just for us. Pero para sa Philippine music industry rin, di ba? Parang nakakatuwa nga rin na may representative tayo. You know, Beanie, SB19, they're raising our flags sa international shows right now. So hopefully it open the doors for future P-pop groups na rin. Yeah, yun. Thank you very much sa seniors namin for paving the way. We really look up to them, you know. Skirt. Saan kayo nag-spend ang Holy Week? I spent it with my family. I see you sa Pangil, Laguna. See you. I'll see you there. Manifesting good opportunities for vision. Thank you. Gio, sino ka ba? Ba't ang bait mo? Thank you po. You look cozy. Thank you po. Yeah, I'm cozy sa hoodie ko. Favorite ko hoodie to. Si Twice, Gio yan. Wow, I wish. Sabi ni Tasha, honestly, yung Vexies lang ako but I didn't regret in-stand ko kayo lalo na first concert na. Thank you po. How did you know about Vision? Lola Fridori, hello po. C13, if you have free time, do a short vlog ulit. It's so cute and fun. Yeah, that's one of my goals this month actually, na makapag-vlog ulit. Yeah. Ibabalik yung mga vlogs ko for... Pero available pa yung ibang vlogs ko sa YouTube. Search nyo lang. Marami akong vlogs dun. Well, honestly, may times na na-discourage ako kasi mababa yung views. So sabi ko, alam mo yung mga manonood pa ba ng vlogs ko? Kaya medyo na-discontinue ko siya. Pero, ayun, hopefully, dumami yung manonood ng live. Ay, ng vlogs. And available pa yan in my YouTube channel. It's at C13. Check nyo. Miss ko na yung... Oh, Mikaru, hello. Miss ko na yung kambing. Yeah, I miss the kambing too. Sino po gusto nyo mga collab? Keshi. I love Keshi. Have you tried Marcel? Not yet. Hindi pa. Soft spot cover? Why not? Gusto kong understand muna. Gusto kong actually understand. Sobrang gandang song yun. And it's a song that I would sing to my future wife. Gerald, wow, UAE. Hello. Sana makabalik po kami UAE. I love UAE. The best. Kuya, bakit batas name mo? Sila po nagpangalan ng batas sa akin. Hindi, umuo na lang ako. Hope to see you soon po. Hope to see you soon. Sana ma-invite kami dyan. Kasi hindi na ako nakapag-Pokemon. Nakalimutan ko. Oh no. What? Will the FAQ answers be different po from the first Kalawaan concert to the one happening next June? I think so. I mean, guys, yung fan benefits na ito na ba? Kasi I know a lot of people wanted to have a sound check before, pero nag-gets nyo naman kung bakit hindi nagkaroon ng sound check before, diba? Kasi gusto namin na once na pasok na kayo sa Kalawaan, yung dun yung ma-feel yung first Pero ngayon, since alam niyo yung kalawaan, may idea na kayo kung ano yung kalawaan namin, makapag-soundcheck na tayo this time. Pero expect na bigger kalawaan to. Ganda ng MV nyo. Thank you guys. Keep on streaming, okay? Stream nyo lang lagi yung MV na Vision Mission. Magkakaroon guys, wait nyo lang. Mission. Skirt. Ito po na music video na. Thank you. Age, minor restrictions. Walang age or minor restrictions. Punta lang kayo. Promise. Pwede yan. Promise yun. Sobrang init. Yeah. Reaction video. Oh! Okay, papanoorin namin mga reaction video nyo guys. Matulog na ba tayo guys? Should be sleep. Na oras na eh. Favorite song ko sa Vision, The Beast, SSI, diba? PS. Manood ko lang ng Mudborn on Netflix. It was good. Nakatakot siya. Napanood niyo na ba Mudborn? Nighttime is the best time to play Pokemon. Yeah. Does Vision have a next goal after NFT? Well, gusto namin mag-hit song. We want to tour around the Philippines after NFT. Sino pinaka-funny sa Vision? One thing's for sure, it's not me. I'm a serious guy. PH2 for the win. Yes, sir. Okay, saan ako pupunta? Where nang galing yung hoodie? Ang ganda. Essentials. I love Essentials hoodie. Super comfy. Pero syempre, mas gusto ko Vision hoodie. Uy! Shiny! Shiny Pokemon! Okay, kukunin ko to. Wait lang guys Shiny yung Pokemon Shiny ko. Ang pangalan nito? Espatra. Uy na shiny. Huli ka sa akin ngayon, boy. Ay, wala nang Ultra Ball. Ano ba yan? Great Ball na lang. Sana tumalab. Got him! Nonood or naglalaro? I'm playing. Kaka-shade ko lang nito kaninang umaga. Tama, meron na agad. Crazy. Is crazy. Masyari naantok na ako, guys. Let's sleep. Kaya patayin mo muna tong Scovillain. Hello. Battery check 2%. Okay, good night to you. Okay, patay na siya. So guys, let's sleep. And guys, thank you. It's been a fun live. Na-miss ko kayo. Na-miss ko mag-live. And thank you po sa mga nagbagsak today. And sa lahat ng nag-tune in kahit na gabi na. I love you guys. Harang he. Sleep well. Don't forget to stream our song, Pelikula, and our music video. Hopefully, tomorrow, 10K views. If not, 15K views. Let's make it a goal. Play nyo lang siya. Put it on loop. Good night, everyone. See ya. Bye. Skirt, skirt.